Timothée Chalamet's shocking disclosure. Travis Scott's intentions towards Kylie Jenner revealed. Welcome back to Celebsphere, your go-to channel for the latest celebrity news and gossip. Today, we have a bombshell revelation that has set the internet on fire. Timothée Chalamet has dropped a shocking disclosure about Travis Scott and his intentions towards Kylie Jenner. Stick around as we unravel this celebrity drama that has everyone talking. In the realm of Hollywood, relationships often serve as the focal point of intrigue and speculation. When high-profile figures like Travis Scott and Kylie Jenner are involved, every move they make is scrutinized under the microscope of public curiosity. However, the recent revelation by none other than Timothée Chalamet has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry. During a candid interview with a leading magazine, Chalamet, known for his roles in critically acclaimed films, made a startling disclosure about Travis Scott's intentions towards Kylie Jenner. According to Chalamet, who is reportedly a close friend of both parties, Scott's motives might not align with what the public perceives. While the details of Chalamet's revelation remain murky, the implications of his statement have sparked a frenzy of speculation among fans and tabloids alike. Could there be hidden agendas at play in one of Hollywood's most closely watched relationships? Only time will tell as the drama unfolds. Travis Scott, a renowned rapper and producer, has been in the spotlight not only for his musical talents but also for his high-profile romance with Kylie Jenner, a member of the famous Kardashian-Jenner clan. Their relationship has been the subject of intense media scrutiny, with fans eagerly following every twist and turn. Kylie Jenner, a business mogul and social media sensation in her own right, has built an empire around her personal brand, making her romantic entanglements all the more captivating to the public eye. With Travis Scott's intentions now called into question, the dynamics of their relationship are sure to be re-examined by fans and critics alike. As the story continues to unfold, one thing remains certain: the world of celebrity relationships is a complex and ever-evolving landscape where nothing is as it seems. With Timothée Chalamet's bombshell disclosure adding a new layer of intrigue to the narrative, all eyes are on Travis Scott and Kylie Jenner as they navigate the tumultuous waters of fame and romance. The world of celebrity gossip never fails to surprise us, and Timothée Chalamet's shocking disclosure about Travis Scott's intentions towards Kylie Jenner is just the latest twist in this ongoing saga. Stay tuned to Celebsphere for all the latest updates on this developing story and make sure to subscribe for more juicy celebrity news and revelations.